48 Laws of Power is a book that every person breathing air in this world should read. The book doesn't talk about power as much as it talks about human behavior, psychology, history, sociology, and leadership. I acknowledge that the power laws that are mentioned in the book could sometimes be unethical, immoral, and I believe its content should be cautiously used. I also know that you might not want to read the book because you are afraid that people will label you as a power hungry person. So today I share 4 psychological tips that can help you to gain people's respect you within seconds without even reading the book. So let's get started. Number 1. Dress one size better than the norm. My friend Michael, he changed his life by dressing one size better than anyone else around him. When his boss had an important meeting and needed someone who looked and acted professionally to accompany him, he asked Michael to attend the meeting. By the end of the year, Michael had acquired tremendous knowledge and a powerful network. You might be thinking, who cares? How do I dress? The entire world does, and they are judging you. Number 2. Pay attention to your body posture. Standing straight unleashes neurochemicals into your brain that cause you to feel better about yourself. People who have poor postures, they experience serotonin deficiency. Serotonin deficiency leads to depression and anxiety. Slumping around will send a message to everyone that you feel defeated and signal low status to others. So stand up straight and tall, keep your shoulders back, put your stomach in. So now let's talk about number 3. Your positive comment should outnumber your negative comments. Let me repeat, your positive comments should always outnumber your negative comments, at least by 4 to 1. So suppose when you are praising your co-workers and they are out of the room, so basically what you are doing, you are helping increase that positive ratio and your respect. Praising competitors makes you feel more intelligent, kind and trustworthy, and making others more likely to respect and trust you. Let's talk about number 4. Show authentic vulnerability. If you want people to trust you, show more vulnerability. So what does it mean? It basically means share your failure stories with people. So when you share stories of failure with people, 2 things happen. It permits people to make mistakes and shows that you are also imperfect. Celebrate other people's success. When you admit that other people have traits that you admire, it actually demonstrates humility and vulnerability. Nothing builds trust like a person admiring other people. Let other people teach you something. When leaders allow others to teach them something meaningful, it demonstrates modesty and gives others a sense of importance. So this is all I had. Let me quickly summarize all the points that I mentioned. First one was dress up one size better than the norm. Second, pay attention to your body posture. Third one was your positive comments should outnumber negative ones. And the last but not the least, show authentic vulnerability. So this is all I had in this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more content on career growth. Thanks for watching, guys.